Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp, and we are going in the Dollar Tree to do some couponing. It's exactly two Wednesdays from Christmas, so let's go and see what we could coupon for, guys. And then I'm going to be doing a video on. I'm going to be doing a video on buying supplies for my vision board that I will be showing. I'll be videotaping my vision board. Okay, the first thing we'll be grabbing is some Energizer batteries. As you can see, they are right here. AA Energizer. And we got a coupon that matched it. Okay, and this is the coupon that matched it right here. I have 4, so I'm going to grab 4 of them. Like, look guys, like it's a whole entire box of them. I want to grab a whole box. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they got the goods already for me. Okay, I'm back here with my bread. And of course, y'all know all the cereal is gone, right? Which is fine. I mean, I got loads of it from last week. So, yeah, it's all gone. Let me see. Those are apple bites. Yeah, they don't have any more up there. Sometimes if you move them around, you might find an extra box somewhere in the back. So I was trying to see, but they don't have any more, which is okay. Okay, so here we go. All of their chips is here. I'm gonna grab a little guy some chips. Oh, they got some Stacy's. I don't like Parmesan and herbs though, but they got Stacy's. Let me grab my husband a pack. See, y'all always saying this really is a good Dollar Tree that I come to. Okay, so oh look guys, the Chex Mix. They got these. I think we got a, I don't have that coupon, but you know this is for, like they say, bold flavor. This is for when like you make those party dishes. You could grab one of those. I'm gonna grab one of these because we having like a family get together this weekend. So that'll probably be good for the kids to snack on. I have some couple of junk items. They got bagels. I don't want any bagels. Let's see what else. Ooh, that got heavy. Okay, so we got the Chex. We got the pita bread. Let's see what else can we find. Like my favorite. So, guys, I just cannot get over they got these. I used to love these. Love them. Like, bring back old memories. That's all. Let's see. Okay. And all of that is gone. Okay. Okay, let's go to the other one. Let's go get to our next. Oh, I need some more cocoa butter. Coconut oil. I need that. Okay, let's look in the refrigerator and see what they got. And they don't have anything. Not that I need. They got Imperial in here. My husband loves Imperial. Imperial butter. He loves Imperial butter. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. Corn. Okay. Refrigerator. It's kind of like the regular. It's nothing different in here. Okay. Oh, look what they got, guys. They got this in a multi-purpose cleaner. Clorox Fragancia. Oh, look at this Ajax, guys, with a bleach alternative in it. Okay. Easily dissolved stuff on green. It has a bleach alternative in it. Oh, wow. Okay. That'll be something I'll try. It's new to me, guys, so, you know, sometimes you'll see me try stuff. You're like, that's been there. That's because it was new to me. I still think this is a cute toothbrush cup holder. That's cute with a top on it. Okay, look at this. 5-minute teeth whitening system. I'm gonna try this. I thought y'all want to do some reviews, guys. I'm gonna try this right here. Okay. Do we have effort in? 20 count, if so. Okay, here's the Halls coupon. It's 2 10 count or higher. or larger, you buy two for take $1.50 off. So you can grab the House Defense 14 count. And here is it right here. And you can use it on any two Halls products. So here we go. I'm gonna grab a couple of those. And let me get the House Defense. I actually like, what was the blue? Ah. I'm using those. I'll let you guys know how those vitamins work. Okay. And I think I see the call over here for lunch and stuff. Okay, let me grab me one ibuprofen, and it's 10 pills in here. Okay, so this works on here. Oh, it's expired. Damn. I was going to use this. Excuse my French guy. But anyway, y'all know this works. Because see, that says multi-something. And here is multi-something. So my coupon expired. Dang, I didn't even see that. Oh, don't that just chaps y'all have when y'all stuff expire? Ugh. Let's go look for some more goodies. I wonder how these work, guys. This is the first time I saw this up in here. So you know I'm going to grab one of those to see how it works, right? I will let you guys know. Here's some diabetic foot cream. I wonder who, I got a couple of cousins, they the diabetics, they might need that, but you know, I try not to buy people that have multiple illnesses things because you could really make them sick if you don't know what you're doing. Now look at that, guys. They got hand sanitizer in here for $1. Then they got, what's that? Oh, hand sanitizer, Germex. Germex is pretty good. One of the first ones came out. And then that's a generic one also. But they got them. Yes. When is our lovely coupon coming back? And I can't wait till they start putting this coupon out because it's going to come soon. Because they all of a sudden they bringing it all back again. I don't see any Jergens, guys. So let's move on to the next. Okay, this one does not have any Jergens lotion. No Jergens lotion. Okay. My mother had plenty of Pond's. She told me she had plenty of that. She said she didn't need it, but y'all know how I am. I'm like, okay, I better grab some of it. And because I'm a coupon and that's what we do, we make sure we have stocks and stuff. So guys, it was some new stuff over here I want you guys to look at. Let me go over here and show it to you. I got Lysol Disinfectant Wipes back. Remember that coupon was out and it made it free. They hurry up and took that off the market. Okay, this is not what I want you to see, but I'm going to go ahead and grab some. I'm going to grab 4 of these. And that coupon expires on the 31st of the month. Hold on. And this is the coupon right here. It's for 50 cents off any Kiva Coke product. And here it is. So we're going to get 4 boxes of those. Okay, this is Aquarel Antibacterial Wet Wipes, Fresh Scent, Hand Moisturizer, Pre-Motion Wipe. So now they got something called Aquarel. That's Fresh Scent. And here is another one. And this one got vitamin E in it. They supposed to be antibacterial stuff. Let's see. I was trying to see if they brought it out. Here's another wet wipe right here. Antibacterial wet wipes, refreshing waterfall. So they have all these different wet wipes. So guys, be careful using that. It'll break you out if you don't know. Like if it's an ingredient in there and you're allergic to it, it can get you real good. So watch it. Okay, so you guys see this right here? I wish they had Panasonics because I definitely will be getting these. I just can't detail some more. But in this back, right back here, like they literally do not have any Jergens. I'm kind of pissed off, but hey, I'll go back here. Let me show you. See, they got new summer spring towels out already. Love is a, so look, this guy, live every moment with joy and laughter. I like that. And you already know what I'm getting ready to say. I'll be done made me some pillows, but they don't, I don't see, oh, yes they do. They got the towels. So those are pretty. So I'm gonna grab some of these. I want to make some pillows out of them. This say bless this kitchen, which is really pretty too. Here's the hand scarf. Love is a 4-legged word. Love builds a happy home. Then they got their regular red and blue out. And then I'm gonna grab 4 of these matte. 4. Yes, those are 4 pillows that I'm gonna have, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Now look what they got here. Look at that. Bless this kitchen. Now that is either a serving tray or on the wall. Live every moment with joy and laughter. I like this. So I'm going to get one of these, and it's actually going to go in my front room or in my YouTube room. So when I start redoing reviews, you'll see some of the stuff I make. And look at this. We got the burner set. I actually like this better because you could put this on the wall and it'll be like, let me see. I'm going to grab this one. And I need this, a splatter screen. Okay. Okay, they got some more grabbers. Some mitten grabbers. I had those, and I don't know what my husband did with them, but he seems to, my husband will like wreck everything you get because he is like a mechanic, so they don't really pay attention to nothing they get. A mustache comfort grip cutter. That's pretty. And then they got the 8-bit heart comfort grip cutter. It's a heart, yay. They got the cake decorating thing. Bag that you squeeze the filling through. Electric timer. There's another one. These are all new finds for me. I don't know if they new for everybody else, but those are new finds for me. So I had to come back after I finished couponing to make sure that I get a good look at it and make sure that that's what it was, a good find, a new find. But it also is a good find. So let's look at, you all know if the coupons don't work, I'll let you know. I'm getting the card and I'll tell you, yay, the coupons work. I showed you all the coupons. Then, you know, you got just watch the videos, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel if you like these videos so I can keep them coming. Okay? Okay, guys. Every coupon came off. $9 in coupons. One battery beat for some reason, but I just went on ahead and paid for that. But you see that? The coupon savings $9. Every coupon came off. Go get you the free batteries. Go get all that free stuff, guys. Go get it. It's time for Christmas. Bye.